Okay, welcome third graders to the 4.3 Monday math homework help video. Okay, let's go ahead and get started here. Order the numbers from least to greatest. 99 is the least, second is 309, and the third is 378. Just got to be careful on these because I don't know, you can get used to putting things least to greatest, but all of a sudden it'll say order the numbers from greatest to least. And then you end up just assuming it's least to greatest and getting it wrong. So make sure that you're reading the instructions there. Haley's sticker collection has 479 stickers. Her best friend has 498. How many do they have all together? Okay, this is an addition problem here. Okay, I'm going to use the number line method. And we are starting at 479, and we need to add 498. Okay, there's a little trick here that I'm seeing right off the bat. Why don't we add 500 to 479? Now, I know it's 2 over, but adding 500 to 479 is really easy. 479 plus 500 is 979. Now I went 2 over, so now I just need to go back this way, minus 2. So 979 is too far. I go back to 977. So I jumped 500, and then I went back 2. So hopefully that's kind of a little trick there. Now we could have added 400 and then added whatever and kind of slowly worked our way there. But why not? If you see that this is easier to do, 500 is a real friendly, compatible number with 479. And that way it's a little easier. So 977. 977. Okay, find the product. You guys can use a multiplication chart for that. Johnny's bedroom has an area of 90 square feet. What might the length and width of his bedroom be? Okay, there's a lot of different answers here. So what you need to know for this one is that the formula for area, okay, to help you find the area is length times width, okay, or base times height. That's what I've been the language I've been using in class. So base times height, okay? So whatever you're picturing the room, you got the base of the room, which is the width, okay? And then you got the height here. So you have the base, which is like how long it is width-wise, and then you got the height, okay? So as long as, and this is a multiplication problem. So as long as whatever two numbers you multiply, the answer is 90, then the bedroom could be that. So there's so many different, the bedroom could be a 90 by 1. Now that would look kind of weird, right? A 90 foot. I mean, that would kind of look like this, because you would have a 90. The bedroom would be 90 feet one way and only 1 foot the other way. That would be kind of a funky bedroom, but it is an option, okay? 10 times 9 is probably going to be the one that jumps into everyone's head right off the bat. Oh, I don't know. There's a lot of different combinations. 15 times 6, I think, works also. Yes, 6 times 5 is 30. 6 times 1 is 6, but yeah. So 15 by 6 would also get you 90, and there's probably some other ones too, so you can kind of figure that out. But 10 times 9 is probably the one that most of you guys are going to have. Okay, how are the two shapes similar? Well, they're both quadrilaterals. They both have 4 angles, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. They both have 4 sides. What else here? oh, this angle is obtuse. And these two angles are obtuse. So they both have two obtuse angles. Now, a little vocabulary reminder. Obtuse means the angle is greater than 90 degrees. Okay? Maybe we need a little review here. So, if you have like the corner of a desk, that's 90 degrees, the corner of a desk. Okay? If the angle goes larger than 90 degrees, it's obtuse. If the angle is less than 90 degrees, it's called an acute. Okay? So we have a 90-degree angle, which is like the corner of a desk. That's also called a right angle. If it goes larger than 90 degrees, it's obtuse. If it's smaller than 90 degrees, it's an acute angle. So I see two obtuse angles. I also see two acute angles. You can see this is an acute angle, this is an acute angle, it's smaller than 90 degrees, and this is an acute angle, and that is an acute angle. So they're quadrilaterals. They both have 4 angles. They both have 4 sides. They both have 2 obtuse angles, and they both have 2 acute angles. All right. Compare the fractions using, okay, greater than, less than, or equals. All right. Right off the bat, the top number is the same. So the person is going to eat 1 slice of pizza. Now, this is where it's really easy because we just need to look at the bottom number. The smaller the bottom number, the bigger this piece is going to be. So because this pizza is only cut into 2 pieces, this one piece is going to be a lot bigger than this pizza over here because this pizza is cut into 3 pieces. So if you eat 1 piece from this pizza, it's going to be larger because you're only sharing among 2 people. Okay, just because this video is going to get long, I'm going to save that one for tomorrow. If the container on the left holds 2 liters, about how many liters does the other container hold? So look at here, about. So this is kind of an estimation here. The reason for that right off the bat, I mean, they're not even showing you the actual measurement here. So they're asking you to just kind of use your eyeballs and just kind of make a good guess. All right, so I'm looking at this. It would be nice if they would have lined up the bottom. See how it's a little off? That would have been easier to kind of tell. Maybe you could get a ruler, but this looks to be about twice as much to me. So if this holds 2, I think this holds 4. It looks to be about twice as big. That's what I'm going to go with. All right. Hopefully that helps you with your math homework for 4.3 Monday column. And the last column here is when we start learning new things. So this week we are going to be learning how to measure things. So today we're learning about liquids. Tomorrow we're going to learn to measure the mass of things and so on and so forth. So we're learning about measurement this week. And what our vocabulary in the past, we've gone over liters, grams. If you remember, the weight of a paper clip is 1 gram and things like that. So hopefully that helps you out with today's homework.